Hey everyone, check out this 5-piece boxing training set designed specifically for active kids and youth. You get 2 high-quality gloves, 2 curved focus mitts, and a durable Taekwondo kicking pad. Each piece features thickened foam and premium leather for maximum shock absorption and wrist protection during practice. The breathable design keeps hands cool, while the ergonomic palm grip ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Reinforced edges prevent the targets from bursting, even during your most intense martial arts training sessions. This versatile gear is perfect for mastering skills in karate, Muay Thai, and MMA at home. It is the ideal gift for any beginner looking to improve their punching and defensive techniques today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.